Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is a bit of a different video today, so I'm going to show you guys how this putty stuff works. It's called sugru. You guys put in the comments, you guys probably know better than me, right? And this is basically how this is supposed to be done out. There's no instructions on here. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Right, so this is a pack I bought of 3. So I had a black one, a white one, a grey one. So you can order them. And I'll leave a link in the description if anyone wants to order any or where I got it from. So yeah, so this basically, it's for fixing anything really. It's one of those kind of like all-rounder fixer putty glue things that you use, and it's quite good. I mean, I use it for mainly this. See, this is and if any of you guys got a wire like this, right, an Apple wire, you know the big problems you get with. So you see this over here, it's like really messed up there. Yeah, really messed up. Okay, so this, if this goes bad, you're gonna be having to pay a lot of money to try and get it fixed. Okay, so we're gonna try to fit this on. I don't know, should I remove this or not? Or should I just leave this on? I'm just thinking it might be a good idea just to remove it. Let's see if I can get it off there. No, it looks like I can't. I'm gonna have to break it off. Alright, so this doesn't want to leave. Okay, so it's not coming off, and it's kind of like made it clear. So I'll have to try and break this piece off somehow. Okay, so I've got my trusty clippers. So I'm going to try clipping this off, see if this works. Now make sure guys, if you're doing this at home, make sure if your kids, you shouldn't be watching this, and if you're adults, well, you guys know what to do. Okay, this come off now. So then what we do is we open this. Okay, so open that. Okay, see what's inside. Okay, so this is like a putty kind of substance inside of it. Yeah, look at that. This is what it's like. Okay, so you just mix it together. So you rub it together, rub like this. Feels like playing with kind of in school used to have that putty stuff. I don't know what it's called. Put in the comments if you guys remember. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put it onto here now, right? So start at the top. Yeah. So you go around there. And then you're going to put it all the way around. And then just like this. Tell me guys if you guys enjoy watching these kind of videos. If you think I should make more ASMR videos like these or DIY ones. I made a few before like this. I don't know, put in the comments if you guys enjoy watching this kind of stuff. So when I put it on, what I do is I try to get it right to the top, so it's a firm snug fit there. So you want to kind of then just like roll it like snake. All the hands get a bit dirty as well. Don't worry, you can wash it off later. I don't think it's toxic, otherwise I wouldn't be selling it. Okay, so just keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep doing this. Now what happens is you gotta leave it for about 24 hours for it to fully set. Okay, so once you've done this, you don't want to keep playing around with it. You don't want to feel as though you gotta do some changes, but try to make it all as evenly as possible, because otherwise, see, when it's fully done, you can bend it. So I've seen some videos online. Problem is the previous one I had, if I show you that, I don't exactly know where to put it here. Here's a piece of it that's left. See this? This was the previous one. I've done this about a year or so. I don't think they last too long. or do they last long? Well, my ones did it. Okay, so let's try to, maybe rolling it might help. Okay, let's do the job. So I think the one it gets. Okay, so looks like that's done. Don't want to hide the light. Okay, so a bit down. Alright, so this is done. And I've got one more pack left, so I actually bought 3, like I said. I'm trying to think where to use it. So tell me what kind of places you guys would use it in. So I think this is excellent for this, because I've tried all sorts of things for this wire. You know, try that kind of heat sleeving. Don't know if you guys know what heat sleeving is. Basically like a wire that you put around. Okay. You're probably not going to want to watch all this, so you can forward it to the end, and hopefully when it's dry after 24 hours, maybe I can show you guys. Okay, so you see over here it's getting a bit thin over here. That's better. I think that's, yeah, I think I'll leave it now. Okay, so you want to make it even, because then you don't want it to break. Otherwise it becomes too thick in certain places. Too much tension is built up, and then it can lead to breakages. So just put it in my palms. Okay, there you are. Looks nice. There you go. Okay, done. So there you have it. The wire is done. I'm going to leave it like this now, and hopefully it shouldn't cause any problems for me now. And once it's dried, it should be working perfectly. So if you guys want to try this stuff out, let me know what you guys think. What did you guys try it on? I tried it on this, but I'm thinking of other things as well I can try it on. See the progress. Make sure I don't get any of these bits onto it. But yeah, have it put in a clean place. Yep. There you go. So jazakallah khair, guys. Let me know if you guys think I should make some more of these DIY videos. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.